Are we just biological machines? This question has fascinated philosophers, scientists, and thinkers for centuries. At first glance, it might seem like a reductionist view of humanity, but let's dive deeper into what it really means. Consider this. Our bodies are composed of cells, tissues, and organs, all working in harmony like the intricate parts of a finely tuned machine. Every heartbeat, every thought, every emotion can be traced back to biological processes. Neurons firing in our brains create the symphony of our consciousness. But if we're just machines, where does that leave our sense of self, our emotions, our creativity? The mystery of consciousness is one of the greatest puzzles we face. It's not just about being alive, it's about experiencing life. When we feel joy, sadness, or love, are these merely chemical reactions? Or is there something more profound at play? Some argue that consciousness arises from complex computations in our brains, suggesting that if we could replicate these processes in a machine, we might create artificial consciousness. But can a machine truly feel? Philosopher David Chalmers famously posed the hard problem of consciousness. Why do we have subjective experiences? Why does the color red look the way it does to us? These questions challenge the notion that we are simply biological machines. If we were just machines, we would lack the richness of experience that defines our humanity. Let's explore the concept of free will. If we are biological machines, are our choices predetermined by our biology? Or do we possess the ability to make independent decisions? This debate has profound implications for ethics and morality. If our actions are merely the result of chemical reactions, can we hold individuals accountable for their behavior? Then there's the question of artificial intelligence. As we develop increasingly sophisticated AI, we must ask ourselves, can machines ever achieve consciousness? They can process information and learn from experiences, but do they truly understand? The Turing test, designed to measure a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior, raises more questions than it answers. Just because a machine can mimic human responses doesn't mean it experiences the world as we do. The intersection of neuroscience and philosophy offers fascinating insights. Studies show that our brains are capable of remarkable plasticity, adapting and changing in response to experiences. This suggests that consciousness is not a static state, but a dynamic process. It evolves as we learn and grow, influenced by our environment and interactions. In the end, the question of whether we are just biological machines remains open. Perhaps we are a blend of biology and something more, an intricate dance of neurons, emotions, and experiences that cannot be fully explained by science alone. The mystery of consciousness invites us to explore the depths of our existence, challenging us to consider what it truly means to be human. So, are we just biological machines? Maybe the answer lies not in the mechanics of our bodies, but in the richness of our experiences and the connections we forge with one another.